day 6 of building AutoAI sorts until I make 10k MRR. So this is day 6, and the day is passing really too quick, and seems like it's day 1, but yeah, we are almost close to the weekend. Like today is like Friday, and today I done a lot of works of the office. Like we had a back-to-back call. There was like something going on, but yeah, after that everything is like kind of what you can tell, on track. So that's a good news. But yeah, how was your day, guys? Let me know. Hey, welcome to the stream, man. We have one people. So let me just make it my screen bit more good. So just resizing my screen. How was your day, man? How was your day? What is the plan for the weekend? And meanwhile, let me start my windsurf as well. So we're gonna be coding this tonight, like maybe as tomorrow's weekend. So I'm planning to release a one build as well. So that's in the pipeline for today. But before that, there's like I have to check like everything working well or not. All the things are aligned or not. So that's my plan. But let me customize myself, uh, like making myself bit more bigger, because yesterday like people were commenting, Alishan, you're looking too small, man. Can you make yourself more bigger? So yeah, definitely. Uh, I think it's my face is looking pretty good, right? We are good to go. Stays, and this is not this. I think this looks good, and we can have some border areas. Can we have a more? Yeah, cool, awesome. So live stream. Cool. How's the like live stream looking today? Let me know in the chat. Who are you? Where you from watching? How did you find me on the feed? Like, is there something which brings you here? Are you also engineer? Let me know, guys, in the chat. Would love to chit chat on this. So okay, so I have to also plan my this day too, like how the my day gonna be look like. That's in the plan. Those all the things. And sometimes why my build get stuck? That's totally weird. Sometimes when I run npm run iOS now, it's git freeze. Kind of. Let me make my screen bit lower so it will be easier. How is the sound quality is coming? Everything looks good. How's the background? How do you rate one of? Where you from watching, guys? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Excited to talk with you guys. We have two people in this stream. Okay, so first of all, we have to do some R&D as well. Like we have three people. That's crazy number of Friday people, man. Insane, insane. Seems like, hey, just put hi on the chat. Would love to chit chat. Would love to chit chat, man. Just drop a hi. Let me know if you have any doubts on this. How did you finding me on like YouTube? That's great. Like I'm working and we have a three people. So oh my bad. Let me customize this. Can you move it here? Yeah, I think this looks good, right? Can you fix it? Okay, let me play some music as well today. How's the music, guys? Hey Vivek, welcome man, welcome to the stream. Hello, how are you? How did you find me, man? Are you a subscriber? How is going? Where you from watching? Would love to chit chat. How are you doing, Vivek? Vivek, a lot of mosquitoes in my house. Let me use Claude. Claude. Can you please? Hello guys, let me know in the stream how you what how are you doing? How did you find me? How's the live stream coziness? Do you like this? Who is this in the chat? Would love to chat. Yeah, that welcome, bro. Welcome. How are you doing, man? Good to see you today. So what I like started the stream and like the thing which been is in progress is that is called by the way, how the sound is like is it a lot of music? Should I decrease the music sound? Is it at lunch? You had a lunch? I think I think quality looking nowadays is like pretty good. I would say somehow. I just feeling like logistic quality is top notch. Feels like a professional. Hey, there, good to see you, man. Today we have one people who's like joining every day. हाँ सर जी सब्जी साथी देख चैट भी देख लो कहाँ सर जी हाँ हाँ सर जी हाँ सर जी chat भी देख लो yeah I'm looking to chat man yeah I saw that like you have some great emoji let me apply that Thanks to you, man. I think Adit, you had last time mentioned. I think we can customize background music. Bazao. Is it? Can you hear me? Can you hear that? Ideos. Sounds good. Awesome. 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 So this is also sorted. Also sorted. My videos setting is looks good to me. We can release for productions, I would say. So okay, let's do a quick onboarding of this. The user will come, open the app, okay, so he will see this kind of video, which is like, I think I can make it more better. Something more better. AI story, short, inspirational. How to test app before making a .exe file? I test the app in simulator like while development. That's how you can do it. Do you have any online video editor? I think we can use how first of all we have to learn this. I can try this. Man, this is making good feature. I can try this on my seat. E5, but it is not as like production. It's not as like production. Uh, didn't understand you, man. Store challenge. So okay, so in general, like in production, like we test the app by releasing a build, like internal testing. Like I go to the Play console and there I upload my build. Generally, I do that way. Uh, which API are you using in app? So I build my own API. By the way, Adit, can you introduce yourself? By the way, would love to know you. Uh, can we have here on the bottom? Yeah, let's put it. Short channel inspiration for app. So for the API now, I've been like just making my own API, bro. This is in Node.js, so you can see that a lot of like I make an agent like AI video agent which generate the video for me. So that's the thing. Download YT videos. Right. So I'm just copy this link. Paste it. I have to download this as a video format. कल ही तो बात हुई थी. Yeah, we had a conversation. You're in college, right? Uh, okay, let me see. Adit, I forget you, man. What do you do? Like, okay, that's secret. No, 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 the API is not secret, man. I built my own API, like a kind of AI agent, which is a bit time taking for me. So, but what I can say, like, there's a lot of things going on, like, which is really complex for now. I would say. So, I've been like generating the images, chain of images, then generating a prompt. A lot of things are going in the background. So that's a thing I would say. Uh, yeah. So like for the like let me show you a sample video of my app. Go faster with AutoAI thoughts. Scale my channel. Let's start creating. So once you click on start create, what AI? OpenAI, Gemini. I'm using like multiple models, bro. Like I'm using GPT, stable diffusion models. For example, Flux. I'm using and too many others as well. Like for the text-free speech, I'm using 11 Labs. Uh, apart from that, yeah, that's all I would say. And then rendering the videos, those all the things like a lot of APIs. Like create videos, create my channel. Let's start creating. Let's start creating. Is that okay? So here we have instead of sign up, sign up. Okay, Adit, I just need one favor. Let me know how the app you onboarding look like and what do you understand by if you open the app, download the app, and here we see like kind of uh, this is the like splash screen, like home screen. Uh, Have the video will preview, and then user will click on create video. Then you will say like, are you earning from YouTube channel? Go faster with AI sort. Go faster with auto AI sorts. But that's bad. Yeah, everything is bad, and the user has to pay the money if they wanted to use. Create a studio quality sort video minute. There's an analytics component set. Go. Let's scale my channel. Your AI video assistants, auto sorts, build your videos from a script, voiceover, visual caption, over your device will start with style caption. Let's start creating. You will come on this screen. Let's create from and then once the users do a sign up, what topic do you want to make videos in? So I will choose like maybe a short story studio. I click on create channel. User will select this category, maybe a detective stories, maybe a thrill stories, maybe kid stories. So click on this kid stories. The channel will get created, and he will navigate to the this screen. Now, once he's done with those all the things, You can choose the voice and you click on done. After that, he will like click on this ask AI suggest and you click on generate. It will navigate to the this screen. Okay, so this screen is to fix. Uh, there's multiple things I've been planning it out. For now, mm, I download. You can add in homepage and sample forms. Yes, I download. Okay, do you download this app, AutoAI Sorts? Let me show you my app, by the way. AutoAI Sorts. This is my app, AutoAI Sorts, AI video creator app. So this is like completely bad. Like if you want to try, you have to pay the money. That's a catch, but definitely will fix that out. Like something I've been working on. So currently, what I'm doing on, I'm making the onboarding flow a bit clear so the user can understand like, what my app exactly do. Earlier, it was a bit confusing to user, like, bro, what the hell is going on the app? Like, it can do anything, but no, my app is designed for some specific things, like story kind of. So those all the things needs to be fixed. So that's I am fixing it out. I'm gonna be release one uh, new build on this. Uh, yeah, that's the plan. And then once I create a one new like build, on top of that, I'm gonna make the enhancement of this app more. Oh, okay, that sounds good. Okay, next question from Adit: how much you earn from app? So if being a transparent on this, Adit, this is my revenue cat dashboard, and there like I've been making like multiple apps so far. But if I talk about this auto AI sorts, so currently like from last 28 days we got the 1,000 customers, and in the 1,000 customer we got conversion of one or two users, and last 28 days is earning like approximately $90, and the MRI is like very really low, like $48. So that's so far. Yes, oh, this is fine. Make some more user friendly. Yeah, definitely. Like that's I'm working on. And if I show you like all time data of my this app, which is like so far we had 3,000 users who had done a like installation of my app, and every day like we got approx 30 users, new users over the applications organically. I would say so. Making the things more better. That's my plan. But we're gonna just do a quick check. So, either click on this, between the video. So is this Ayush Singha? Is this the money you got after people download your application? No, Ayush Sinha. How does App Store, Play Store works? The first monetization way it could be ad, so I can add a uh, ad using the ad, and if user use the app and see the app, then I'm gonna make the money. That's one way. But being on like this app, I just avoid using adding ad. That makes like I really hate ad like when on the YouTube on my app. So in the YouTube we have uh, on the YouTube we have like, buy the thing. The same way in the app, if the user wants to try my app, they have to buy a premium. So currently this is my paywall, uh, kind of which uh, this is the paywall. Like user has to buy subscription if they wanted to use my application. So that's a go-to stuff. Yeah, ad driven. No, no, no. Ayush, this is not a ad driven. I'm saying like user have to pay the money if they want to subscribe. Just like you do with other apps. Like for example, YouTube Premium. Like you have to buy the app. Kind of. You have to buy the credit to use the app. Just like this. You have to click on the premium, and once you pay the money, you will allowed to generate the video. That's how it works. Just like ChatGPT in a layman term. Adit, for whose app is for price use now? Yeah, the price is for me, like me as a user, like if I'm gonna price in as Indian, price is too high for me. But this app, I'm been targeting mostly to the European countries, for example, US. Uh, so that's the plan. But yeah, people are using those kind of applications, and this app has been already validated. Based on my competitors, a lot of competition there. But based on competitors, been like working really great on this. So I'm just trying to make the things, getting the inspiration from here. Why slow आ रहा है? थोड़ा थोड़ा. Okay. Adit, now it's better. Adit, can you hear me? Let me know. Cool. So I was back to the work. Let's back to the work. Mm, Generate button. Why slow आ रहा है? थोड़ा थोड़ा. Adit, now it's better. Let me know in the chat. Are you liking my stream, Adit? By the way, if you are liking the stream, please do a like as well because it will boost my videos to others as well, others to see. Keep commenting, like at least that would make me happy. Cool, awesome, awesome. So we're gonna work on this generate button. Looks good. Looks good to me. Okay, let me move my body like this over close to the mic. Are you liking the stream? Let me know what else I can improve on this. The stream more better. Ah, I just wanted to make it like top notch. This is like this is day six almost of my live stream, and damn man, like how does 6 days has been passed away? It doesn't feel like, oh man, and it's been like almost 11:22. I already lagged. Oh, thanks, means a lot, man, means a lot. You like my stream, by the way? Just asking. I think you really love my stream. You are the someone who makes me like kind of motivating me to come live stream again and again. Generate video. Okay, so we are navigating to this screen. Error message tab. So instead of navigating to the, we're gonna call a function of so. Hmm, hmm, let's go to the layout. Configure review size and Are you liking the app? Adit, are you there by the way? Yes. How do you like the app? Any suggestion on the app? Adit? If you want, like I can show you the complete show of my app, and you can suggest me this, and you can make improvements here and there. Just make one video. Like you want telling me like generate one video on your app and show me the output, right? Okay, cool. Let me do it. So before that, I need one credits. So I have to just add that. We can do that quickly. Let me do it for you, Adit. Song at the original block. Let me open my MongoDB and let me allow one. Also explain API is possible, how it's working in background. That's gonna be time taking. First, let's do one by one. You're gonna see the app. You're gonna review the application, how the things are going well or not, and then we can discuss about the background stuff as well later on. Sounds good? Why I'm feeling sleepy nowadays? Like, so okay, so we're gonna like this user has a zero credits, so I'm just gonna give some credits to user, maybe of 5 credits for now. I click on update. So sound nice, yeah. Now I'm gonna click on generate. So I'm gonna do it this way. I click on this short story audio and I click on create video for now, and I'm gonna choose the image style will be a kind of cartoon. I choose the voice, maybe Paul, and then we're gonna click on AI suggest button. Generate a story about arranged marriage turning into true love. Tell a story about climbing the world's most dangerous mountain. Okay, so we're gonna just hit this prompt, click on generate. So once we hit on generate, it is gonna make one API call to the backend, and it's gonna be took some few seconds, and it's started generating the video. So you can see the live progress here, generating video, script verified, and so on, and the audio generated. And here we'll see this image of the video. So we're gonna have to do one more thing improvement. So let me add it to do file, file, to do channel visual logic, same as my video. Let me know, like this is like kind of AI or shorts video generator, which is a kind of story one. So I'm just showing you quickly, like so once it gets generated, also it's like it will send a notification on the app. So you can click on that and it will like navigate to the So you can see the video is generated successfully. If I click on this, you can see tell me a story about climbing the world's most strangest mountain, and you can see the script. I stood before the world's most strangest. So we're gonna just pause this music for now, and we're gonna play this story how it's looking. So I click on this.
I stood before the world's most dangerous mountain, not to conquer it, but to listen. Every gust whispered a name, every crevasse hummed a memory. The climb began with quiet steps on teeth of ice, a rhythm I learned from fear. At the first ledge, a storm roared in, and I remembered my grandmother's winter tales, how she thought storms were stories begging to be finished. I pressed on, counting heartbeats as if they were prayers, until a rope snapped, and I dangled, suspended between sky and abyss. In that breathless moment, I saw a human figure, not a rescuer, but a fellow climber, fallen weeks before, carved into the rock by wind. He wasn't there to save me. His memory steadied me. I finished the ascent, but the summit revealed something odd. No victory banner, only a quiet silence that asked, "What did you leave behind to reach here?" The mountain hadn't changed me. I had changed the mountain by choosing to listen to the echoes within. I stood before the world's most dangerous mountain.
How's the video, man? This is like kind of video we generate on the app, and it's like we are trying to make these things more better, more enhancement. Like there's a lot of things will be going on. So yeah, this is how it looks like for now. What is your thoughts on this, Adit? Mountain is very high. Yeah, no, I would say like on this serious note, there's a lot of improvements I've been working on the background stuff. ये मस्त video बना है. Oh, means a lot. Thank you. It's like a quick process, but it's still like a lot of things needs to be improvements on the script, on the caption, the number of images which we are generating. Those are all the things need some improvements. So yeah, but yeah, means a lot. Like we like the video, but I'm still making try to make the things more better soon. Cool. I would say it's good to go phase for now for this build. Once we click on get premium, it will navigate to the straight. Okay, cool. Let's go back to the MongoDB. Okay, now the becomes 0, 4. Okay, I'm just making 0, update it, and here we are not going to show a paywall by default. We're not going to show that. When user click on this, generate, it will gonna show that paywall. That's it. Simple hack. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया हिंदी चाहिए था. Ah, cool, man. Hindi wala I've been working on Hindi video generation. That will also get done very soon. Adit, follow me over the live stream. We'll be working on that as well. A lot of things have to work on this app. So definitely you're gonna find that as well. Revamp the app UI. If I just quickly show you again, this is how it looks like. Create video. In Expo app, how to store image in locally. In its type, so like you can look at this. Man, this is today file like it almost 98 MB, which is too much, and I think it's gonna increase the my app size as well. Like I have to make something of this. A lot of work needs to be done, I would say. Uh, okay. So meanwhile, the build is in progress. I can run a build for locally as well. Am I tested the application perfectly? Yeah, I think so. Everything's sorted out. It's your client, your production, your what is the timing do we have? कितना बज गया? Oh, almost 11:37. Cool, cool. Okay. So yeah, just check it out. So it's gonna took almost 33 minutes to run start my build. I'm gonna just build my app locally quickly. Uh, suggest it for resume board. Create it. Thanks, man. Suggest any project of resume board, full stack development and React Web app. I would say like if you're starting with the coding, I would say go with the mobile apps. Sorry, go with the web apps. Building a web app is really straightforward, and you can so easily over to the interviewer. But if you're building an app with the mobile, like with the React Native, is really time consuming. You can't show it to the interviewer because you have to install the app. The app should be available with the Play Store or the App Store, which is like really kind of time taking and which is bit seems to be messy. So I would say build a web app version for the resume, and so that and build a web app that surrounds you. Like if you're like facing any problem, you can like make a project like just by doing a googling or YouTube. Maybe you can. There's one YouTube channel called Tube Guruji, which makes a really good project. So you can try that. But apart from that, if you wanted to build any app for your resume, I would say build a project which you gonna use in your daily life. For example, you can build the expense tracker app, web version with the full stack, and you're gonna use that app. You're gonna maintain that app. That should be mindset. You can't be create a project just for the resume. That's my way of like I build multiple projects. So let me show you like there's one project like if I see any problem and around me and I want to solve that, I generally go ahead with that idea. So if I just show you, this is my one of my projects. So I run a library as well in my house. So to manage that library, I needed a something, a tracking website like where I can track the student who has paid the money and who has not paid the money. So I built a web app. Like you can see that this is the earning of all the students. So while using the application, I feel like I have to add this feature. So like if I click on this image, I can see the data of that person, something like that. So those are all the things be like, this kind of project like which you build something, you're gonna feel like, oh man, I solved the real world problem. People are using this, and I'm using this. Like initially I built a normal this application like where I can see a seats student, but later on I feel like, bro, we have to add this feature of uploading a profile picture of the student because it's really hard to identify if you have 100 students, right? So if you're building these kind of applications, build this kind of project. You can maintain that. Adit, sounds good to you? Another project which I recently built that is called Track My Library as well. Uh, Track My Library. No, not this. My bad. Image to prompt. So this is like I see one problem like image to prompt. Like people like download the image from download. Oh, I think am I buffering? Let me close others tab, which is irrelevant. Close others tab. Yes, nice. Yeah, that's how. Okay, we got some error. What kind of error is it? Oh, I lost my Wi-Fi in between, and it did break. Yeah, that's how you can build a project, and you can just make it and ship it over the Play Store and the App Store. That should be the agenda. Meanwhile, let me do one more thing today. Also, like keep promoting. Like if you build a product, man, that should be like if you're like being Indian guy. Like I've been like thinking of just getting a job, but I have a job right now, and I've been making like good money as well from the job. But now the mindset is going to change. Like I have to build a product like that people gonna be used worldwide, not for the local, not for the just for myself. I build some product like that's gonna be used over the world, and like they're gonna take the name. So if I just show you my the revenue cat dashboard as well, like I know this is number is not that much good, uh, but this is something which can make you something really. So, for example, this is my revenue catalyst. But what makes me really happy there, if I quickly show you, the customer data. So, being an Indian guy, we have a subscriber from this country. Look at this, Serbia. Oh man, like Serbia people has paid me money. So that's the Indonesia, and then we have a I don't know what its name is, like Papua New Guinea. We have a Singapore. We have a customer from United States. So something like which makes you inspirational. Like, man, this is something which I want to build. People are gonna use that. People are paying money to just use that. You're not available there. You just build an app. People are giving me money. I don't do any marketing. I don't do anything so far. But yeah, this weekend I'm planning to make some reels promoting the app because the idea has been already validated. This can make money. Just have to make it more better. Com- So yeah, in short, like keep building, keep grinding, make some good apps. So if I show you the data of this app as well, we have almost 1.74K. No, I'm not an app developer. I'm a software engineer. Like I'm a full stack developer. I can do anything right now. So I just like apply for a job and grab the job. That's how it works. Keep applying, keep grinding, and you will get that what you want. That's a mindset. I think, bro, you are using Mac, right? I have a build a app. Alternative to which Pro need to initial power used to get feedback. Yeah, definitely. Loop plays, man. Welcome to the stream of day two, right? Let's do that. Uh, आपको देख के ऐप बनाने का मन करता है. Oh, cool. It means a lot. That's seems to be a good one. Like, if you are the one who is getting inspiration for me, like, I've been also following one person over the YouTube, and from that man, I get the inspiration to build some cool apps. But yeah, like, I will be building one web app as well. Maybe you get the inspiration. But yeah, I would say keep building, keep grinding. That should be the main motive of the uh, main motive of. ब्रो यू आर यूजिंग मैग राइट मैं ऐप बना भी रहा हूँ एक कंपनी के असाइनमेंट है ओह ग्रेट मैन दैट्स यू नो that's the thing like if you're thinking about something to build something you are thinking of like getting this start uh, who those companies who those. So in short, like that like if you're thinking of something to get it, you will get it that in some time, and like in few months, in few days, you will come to me and will tell me that Alisan bro, I get a job, I get the things which I wanted to be. So that's the fundamental of things. But let's help you out, Loop. Let's you're using the app builder, Noteflux.app. Let me search Noteflux.app. Someone from our community has built one app. We have to support. By the way, Lucas, are you there? जब जॉब लगी फिर फर्स्ट सैलरी में एक सुपर चैट अरे मीन्स अ लॉट मीन्स अ लॉट डेफिनेटली not really. I don't need a super sad, but you will get a job, man. So it's but yeah, wishing all the best, man. You will get a job. Uh, I think did we connect over the LinkedIn yesterday, right? Let me see. Yeah, Aditya Desmukh, the full stack developer, React Node.js. Okay. Can you give me connection over the LinkedIn? We can chat over the weekend. Adit, let's back to the work quickly. Build. It's almost closed there. So yeah. I just sent a connection. Okay, cool. We'll follow you. We'll follow you there. How do I get job? Damn, man, it closed. Okay, I get a job just applying over the LinkedIn. Like I get a multiple rejections, but later on, like I get the job. That's how like I do keep applying over the LinkedIn via easy apply. Like it's been almost 2 months over there, but finally it worked. Like I got the interview scheduled and we got the job offer letter. Cool. I think we can wrap this stream. That's all. We'll catch up tomorrow again. Thanks for joining, Adit. Thanks for joining, guys. That's all for today's stream. We'll be uploading my test build today. Maybe I can do one more thing. Like I can really record a video how to update your app over the Play Store and we'll publish over the YouTube. What do you think, Adit? That will make some content for me as well, and we can upload the app as well. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, Adit. Thanks for joining. Thanks a lot. We'll catch up again tomorrow, 10 to 11. Oh, it's 12 p.m. Damn, man, it's 12. Oh, good night, guys. Even drop off. Bye bye. Just let me wrap this up. My build. We'll do a like quick log out. Let me take a one photo as well today. I will stream. I think it's taking a lot of time. We have to log out. Cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining again. Bye bye. We'll catch up tomorrow from 9 to 10. Maybe a full day live stream. We're going to try to do that. But let's see. Cool. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thanks for joining.